If you died tonight, would your life insurance replace your income or barely cover your funeral? Because most families are dangerously underinsured and they don't find out until it's too late. Why this question matters. Life insurance is not about how much you need. It's about how much your family would need to survive without you. Without enough coverage, they don't just grieve, they struggle. Common myth. Many people think, my job gives me insurance. I'm covered. But employer policies are usually too small, temporary, lost if you change jobs, not designed to replace your life. The real purpose of life insurance. Life insurance is income replacement, debt protection, and future protection, all in one. It ensures your family can continue life without financial collapse. The 3 core questions that determine how much you need. 1. How much income must be replaced? If you earn $60,000 a year, your family doesn't just need $60,000. They need years of income. A common guideline, 10 to 15 times your annual income, but that's only the starting point. 2. What debts must be paid off? List everything that would still exist if you're gone. Mortgage, car loans, credit cards, student loans, medical bills. Many families lose their homes not because they want to, but because they can't afford payments alone. 3. What future goals must be protected? Think beyond today. Children's education, keeping the home, daily living expenses, care for aging parents, spouse's retirement. Life insurance preserves dreams, not just survival. Simple real-life example. Let's say a parent earns $80,000 per year, has a $250,000 mortgage, 2 kids, and future college costs. A realistic protection amount might be approximately $800,000 to $1.2 million or more, not because they're wealthy, because their responsibilities are. What happens when coverage is too low? Families may be forced to sell the home, pull kids from school, work multiple jobs, drain savings, depend on others. Underinsurance doesn't protect. It delays the crisis. Stay-at-home parents need coverage too. Huge overlooked truth. Even without income, they provide massive economic value. Childcare, cooking, household management, transportation. Replacing those services can cost tens of thousands per year. Why waiting makes it worse? The younger and healthier you are, the cheaper coverage is. Waiting can mean higher premiums, medical issues blocking approval, limited options, no coverage at all. The real question, how much life insurance do you need? Enough so your family's life does not collapse without you. Enough so love continues as protection. What adequate coverage feels like. Imagine this scenario. Your family receives funds that allow them to stay in the home, maintain stability, continue education plans, grieve without financial panic, preserve their future. That's true. Protection. Final urgent message. Life insurance is the one financial tool you hope your family never has to use. But if they ever need it, nothing else can replace it. If you're unsure whether your coverage is enough, don't guess. Get a professional review. Understand your options. Make a decision based on facts, not assumptions. Because the cost of being wrong is paid by the people you love most. In closing, you insure your car, your phone, your home, but the most valuable asset your family has is you. Protect accordingly. Love protects while you're here. Life insurance protects when you're not. I wish we lived forever, but since we don't, please make sure your family will still be okay. This matters more than you think. What happens to your family if you die without life insurance? The truth is heartbreaking, and most people don't realize it until it's too late.